Doesn't this guy look like me? Is that? You better buy that jerky. I'm gonna suck your dick. I'll suck you. Doesn't that look like me? Yeah. It looks like me, eh? I thought it was you. It is me. Yeah, it's you. No, that's me. Hey, doesn't that look like me? Does that look like you?
Oh, yeah.
Looks like you, right? Do that?
Yeah, the same.
It's me.
It's you?
That's me.
Oh.
Isn't that crazy? That's my jerky, man.
Really? It's not you?
What?
Or it's yours?
Come on. Look, it's me. Right?
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy? Doesn't that look like me?
Yeah.
That's me. That's my jerky. You guys don't want to buy that? Pizza in a bag? Taco in a bag? Crazy, eh? Ford.
Fix your sleeves.
Ford, who's that?
Hey, let's do that.
Who's that?
Who's this guy? Who's that?
Yeah. Isn't that crazy?
Crazy, funny.
Isn't that crazy? That's me. So I saw a Facebook video that says that vans, no matter which way you toss them, they always land laces up. And they toss their vans a whole bunch. And I was like, okay, let's see if that applies to any vans that I can grab at the store. So I'm gonna toss these bad boys and see if they land laces up. Full disclosure, I've tossed them 45 times already and they have landed laces up every time. So if I'm acting surprised, it's a lie, just for the sake of the video. But let's get it. Oh. These ones too, you think? Right upside down. Let's see what happens. Oh! Where's this guy? Also upside down. Come on. This guy right here. Hey. What about this dude? Come on. Let's grab a Puma though. Let's see if Puma's got it. Puma doesn't have it. So that's crazy. Isn't that nuts? Right? Yo, click share. Tell your friends to go share this video. Tell them share. Tell your friends to share. You share it also. You share this video. I'll suck your dick. Kidding. My dad will though. Show her, Dad. No matter which way you toss vans, they always land laces up.
Pretty cool.
No matter what. Puma,
Ford,
look,
try
Pumas
something.
don't. Well, that time it did.
Ford, come try something.
Just look, do this.
Behind you.
Here,
Look.
watch.
Like that. Look, these. Look, you shoot it upside down. Crazy.
Where is it? They're weighted or something?
I don't know. I don't care. I'm just saying. Laces up.
I almost thought it was going to...
Laces up. Laces out. What's that from?
Karate?
Almost. No, it's not from karate. That, are you Hufflepuff?
What do you call it?
Or Slytherin? Did you try the butterbeer yet?
No.
Try the butterbeer.
What is that?
That's something else. You'll first try the butterbeer.
He doesn't have the beer.
Oh.
But it's freaking beer. What are you saying?
That's blonde
Don't take
hair.
his hat up.
Try the
That's not
butterbeer.
blonde.
That's blonde hair.
How's that butterbeer, baby?
Darren.
How's that butterbeer? Whoa! You're a wizard, Daddy.
Oh, it looks good. Keep it.
You're a wizard. Save it for later.
Yeah.
You like that? Try the other one. The other one's good too. Special lemonade.
Suck it up. Use straws. Use straws.
Yeah, you gotta suck the balls.
You like that?
Blueberry. You know?
And mint cinnamon. You like it?
Very strange. Very wild.
No.
It is, eh?
Yeah, I am.
That's trouble, all right. Ghostbusters!
How do we find a way out of here? Cover! Where's Cortex? We need cover. Okay. Hey, Rusty, we got it. Go, Custer. Rusty. My gun's jammed. Get it. Your war.
What? I'm good. I can do Spider-Man.
Yeah, you can do Spider-Man. Pat, imagine you could travel everywhere really quickly with webs, but you still get on an expensive 4x4.
That'd be amazing.
Is that a butthole? Wiggly butthole. Yeah, it is. So we're walking around this Harry Potter area, Hogwarts. Why did I sound Irish? Hogwarts and Hogsmeade. I don't know the difference, and I just watched all the movies not too long ago. But I realized something. If you check the walls here, all the walls are like angled and bent. These cocky ass wizards, how about you get some muggles in here with some solid muggle engineering, show you dummies how to make a straight wall. Cause it's nauseating walking around your stupid wizard town. Fucking morons. You teach how to fucking conjure up frogs and how to make them pop or how to eat bugs, bug eating 101 or whatever stupid shit you guys do, but you don't actually have an engineering class, do you? Cause this whole place looks like it was built by morons. Like there is no architecture abilities going on in this town at all. Like, get with the future, bro. Like I get you got this wizard shit going on, but it's 2019. You guys got crooked walls, Diagon Alley. Diagonally. You fucking one-stroking sons of bitches. That's Circus McGurkus. For Shuli Baruli.
And Magooly Twooly.
Magooly Tooly. Does he carry the dually?
Circus McGurkus.
Circus McGurkus.
Shagook.
Shagookie Magookie. Well, let me see that custom. Ooh, custom Kylo. Turn that bad boy. Fuck, that's sick. So you are a Kylo fan?
I am, I love it.
Like me. Like me. Let's see that Stormtrooper shit. I like that you have like Stormtrooper helmet and Stormtrooper pants.
Yeah, I come full Pop Rageous gear, dude. I have
You're like,
all of them match.
you guys are really just dark side people.
We are.
Wait, you named your son what?
My son's name's Anakin. So
Fuck.
For the dark side. You know, it's like, I'm naming my son Michael.
Naming your son Vader is just a crazy move.
You gotta
Oh,
put your-
sick.
You gotta put your sirens on.
This is very Too Fast, Too Furious.
Yes.
Harley, I came up with a name for my son. Michael Jackson Fry.
Wow.
Michael Jackson. Michael R. Jackson.
Michael R. Kelly Jackson. I love how we're laughing about it. You know?
It's not funny at all. It's not. Now my video is demonetized. Thank you very much. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I'm on fire, dog. Get it. Go get it, boy. Get it, man. Let's get the new one up, dog. Let's get the